I was calling these peppers over here all were bell peppers, but I forgot that I did plant some of the sweet peppers. And look at that. They finally sprouting up. That's the sweet peppers. In red and yellow and green. Look at that. Okay. Look at that one now. Okay, sweet peppers. Y'all over here with the bell peppers. I thought all of y'all were the bell peppers. Y'all the sweet peppers too. Look at that. Sweet peppers coming up. Look at that. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, sweet peppers. Looking good. More bell peppers. Look at y'all. Okay. Where you at? Where you at? Okay, bell peppers. I see you down there. Okay. Look at y'all right there. Okay, bell peppers. Okay. I see some more coming up. Yes. Okay, bell peppers. I may have to come and get you guys sooner. It's starting to get cool out here. I don't want to lose you. Look at those nice sweet peppers. Okay. Come on, continue to grow for us. Look at this right here. All right. Looking nice.